What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be sharing a super simple recipe for sauteed cabbage with garlic. It's only 5 ingredients. It's super simple and super delicious. Sometimes I like my cabbage to be really simple. I don't like it cooked for a long time, and this is a perfect recipe. So this is a half of a cabbage because I'm using it for a side dish tonight. Then you got your olive oil, some adobo, a lot of garlic. This is 3 cloves of garlic that I sliced up, and some butter. I got my teaspoon of olive oil heating up, so put the garlic in, and you just want your garlic to kind of brown a little bit. You don't want it to burn, so just keep an eye on it. The garlic has turned golden brown, most of it anyway. Now you want to add your cabbage in. Once everything is stirred up, now you want to season it with your adobo. Season it to your own taste and keep tossing it. Add your butter and cover it up and let that simmer for about 3 minutes. Alright, take the lid off and let it cook for another 5 minutes uncovered. Just give it a little stir. Five minutes is up, and this beautifully sauteed cabbage is what we have. The garlic is really good and sweet. Everything is delicious. It's not overcooked. It still has a little bit of texture. Y'all, this only took about 15 minutes. Try this one out, y'all. Thanks for watching.